Hello, and a very humble welcome to Team 40's bioreactor.
So today I will walk you through our bioreactor. So this is our configurations for the probe, which is used to monitor the cellular growth of the yeast cells. We chose a low frequency of alternating current, which is 10 hertz only. This had to change from our initial plan of using 3000 hertz alternating current, because the alternating current of 3000 hertz was recording lower values, and also we have set up a voltage amplitude of the alternating current to 4 volts, which also had to change from our initial plan of using 6 volts, because when we use 6 volts, the value of the peak-to-peak voltage recorded was lower than what we wanted. Moving on, we will also explain our gain settings. We didn't choose a particular setting for our gain, but from our test and build, we have come to the decision to use 150K for the R3 value and 150 for the R2 value, so that the gain will be 1000, in which gain is R3 over R2. This gives out the largest gain, which will amplify our signal to the highest magnitude.
So over here are the mixing conditions, and these are the conditions we chose to obtain a homogeneous environment within the reactor. So first off, we have 4 baffles, and we chose that because our Minecraft experiments showed that 4 baffles gave the shortest mixing time, and we also chose an impeller diameter of 50. This was based on research as well, saying that 50% of the tank diameter is a good impeller diameter. And then moving forward to the impeller combinations, we chose 11, which has a lower impeller of pitchblade and an upper impeller of Rushton, and we had originally chosen a combination of 12, but it had such a high power reading that we decided to go with 11, which had the next shortest mixing time with an understandable power reading. And over here we have some more mixing conditions, and our stirring RMP was okay was 120, because we were using 4 baffles and a combination of pitchblade and Rushton impellers, so we felt that 120 would be efficient based on our Minecraft experiments as well. Our temperature set point was 32 degrees, just from research. Our water level was 7 litres, according with the probe team as well, and our concentration was 50 grams per litre.
We will then go to our technician and ask him to turn on the scaffolding so that we can climb the bioreactor and show you our electrodes. So over here you can see that we have chosen to put our injection electrodes with which functions to inject the alternating current into the solution at the bottom of the tank. This had to change from our initial plan of using a diagonal arrangement, because the diagonal arrangement was recording very noisy readings. So as you can see over here, redstone block was situated on top of the dirt block, and on top of the bioreactor, which is at level 7 of the water level, we have put our gold and silver electrodes, which are our measurement electrodes that functions to measure the peak-to-peak voltage of our growth of yeast cells. As I mentioned, this had to change from our initial plan of using diagonal arrangement, but instead we put it at opposite sides of each other so that it could record the maximum value. So that's it for our bioreactor demonstration.
Thank you so much for paying a visit to Team 40's bioreactor. I hope you enjoyed your time here. Bye!